Yo, man, what's going on with y'all boys, man? You already know what's going on, man. It's your boy StateTonio coming at y'all with another video. And today, bro, I'm reacting to Chief Keef. It's called Sneeze. You know what I'm saying? Chief's house in this bitch. Big's house in this bitch. You know what I'm saying? So we finna go ahead and see what he's talking about, bro. I already know this song. I ain't gonna say I know the song, but I didn't heard the song plenty of times, bro. This shit is a banger, but I'm finna put y'all boys on with him, so let's go ahead and get into it, man. Shit, raw as hell. Ain't even no video either, bro. Ain't even no video. Add this bitch to your playlist.
Chocolate shopper form, he think it's vanilla. 30 shot, 4-5 in my Louis sweater. Cooler than a fan, this bitch think that I'm a sweater. She so I look up to you, pussy boy, you better. If you ain't smoking OG, I don't want your weed. Like a thotty on her period, I make a nigga bleed. Do this shit for Captain Blood, throwing C's, throwing B's. How this Glock up and bless you like he care about your sneeze. Lift this chopper like some place, I ain't bench pressing. Got F and H up in the club and I got Smith and Wesson.
Yeah.
I don't really like Smith and Wesson, got Glock, boy. If he decide to knock you down, use a op, boy. Pulled up in that other thing, it got teeth on it.
Yeah.
They like, what the fuck's a feature, ain't got Keef
On
on
it,
it.
yeah.
This bitch wanna roll some weed and put some Keef on it. At the top, hanging off the clouds, yeah, my sleeves on it. If you're looking for me, I'm probably in New Orleans.
Yeah.
With the 504 boys, no Levi jeans. Come through with 450s, nigga flee the scene. Bitch, a 223 chopper, that's what Keef will bring.
What do you think?
Chocolate chopper form, he think it's vanilla. 30 shot, 4-5 in my Louis sweater. Cooler than a fan, this bitch think that I'm a sweater. She so I look up to you, pussy boy, you better. If you ain't smoking OG, I don't want your weed. Like a 30 on her period, I make a nigga bleed. Do this shit for Captain Blood, throwing C's, throwing B's. Hell, Glock up and bless you like he care about your sneeze. Oh, this Glock is sneeze.
Oh, bro, that shit cold.
Come through and knock down your partner, I mean the
Bro, that shit hard,
like
bro.
when you shooting some crips, I mean to spot you.
Nigga said, thought he on her period, I make a nigga bleed.
Like a cameraman. Diddy bopping in the party, that's Keef Hammer dance.
Yeah.
You can put me at the back and I'm still gonna win. Starting on the heads of my motherfucking mini-man. Brown brick mansion looking like some weeds, nigga.
Yeah.
6-car garage, well I got 3 in it.
Yeah.
Gotta go super four for the other 3. Pull off and my shit sounded ugly. Chocolate chopper form, he think it's vanilla.
That nigga said, chocolate chopper for he think it's vanilla. That nigga said, bro, that shit cold. Chocolate, bro, bro, listen to what he said, bro.
Super four for the other 3.
That shit cold.
Pull off and my shit sounded ugly. Chocolate chopper form, he think it's vanilla. 30
That nigga said, chocolate chopper for he think it's vanilla.
shot, 4-5 in my Louis sweater. Cooler than a fan, this bitch think that I'm a sweater. She so I look up to you, pussy boy, you better. If you ain't smoking OG, I don't want your weed. Like a thotty on her period, I make a nigga bleed. Oh, I'm a Captain Blood, throwing C's, throwing B's. How this Glock up and bless you like he care about your seeds.
Oh my mama, he said had his Glock up and bless you like you care about your sneeze. Oh bro. Said it's up and Glocky. Oh, that shit cold.
Flagstar Bank is providing
Bro, what the fuck is that?
some.
Anyway, man, I'm finna go ahead and end it on this motherfucker. We're blowing this fucking candles out. Anyways, man. Y'all boys fuck with that video, man. Go ahead and add that bitch to y'all playlist. I mean, that motherfucker is a banger. That should be knocking when you in your car, though. But anyways, go ahead and add that bitch to your playlist, man. Go ahead and like the video. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to a young nigga. You know what I'm saying? And comment what y'all boys want me to react to next, man. We out of here.